Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from MessAcademy.com here with my second unboxing from a piece I purchased from the Louis Vuitton Remix collection. If you're new to my unboxing videos, the way that I do them is that I talk about the collection, what drew me to it, anything notable about the shopping process, or any information and details that I think you should know. Then I go to the unboxing, and then I come back with my review and final thoughts. But in today's video, I'm going to skip information about the collection and the history of it because I covered it in a previous video that I will link to down in the description box below or here. I also talked about why I was so excited to shop from this collection in my previous unboxing, in my first unboxing for this collection. So I'm just gonna briefly mention that the reason why I was so drawn to this collection is because for me, the Marc Jacobs Y2K era is really peak Louis Vuitton. For me, it's when I first started finding fashion and being interested in it, seeing it on other people, seeing it on celebrities, and really liking pieces. And so now that I can afford some of these pieces, it's one of the reasons why I often buy vintage or discontinued pieces, why I've kept my eye on some of these pieces, and why I was so intrigued about this one, because they are pieces that I remember wanting way back when I couldn't afford it, but now that I'm an adult woman who's working and saving, now that I can buy it, I'm there. So with all that said, let's get to the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Remix Alma. And that was a perfect opportunity for me to welcome you if you are new here. Welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I'm a lifestyle creator. I create content about fashion, beauty, DIY projects, home decor, luxury family travel, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's talk about some of the features of the bag. This bag comes with vachetta leather, and the updated version to this Alma is that it comes with studs. You'll remember that some of the Murakami pieces had studs on the vachetta leather. So again, this is kind of like an homage to some of the pieces from that era. This is in the Vernis leather, and it comes in this gorgeous sky blue color. I wish that you could see it up close because there is a shimmer to this that's absolutely beautiful, that's kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but hopefully you can see it. Now, I'm gonna be honest and say that this is not the color that I originally wanted. I was originally drawn to that beautiful purple pastel color. Unfortunately, that purple is only used for the Nano Alma, and that one doesn't fit an iPhone. And I just need to stop saying that I'm not a tiny bag person whilst continuing to buy tiny bags. I fall in love with these small pieces, but they're not very practical for me and my lifestyle, so I needed to stop. So that's why I went with the Alma MM in the blue. It also comes in a very pretty pastel yellow and that vibrant neon pink. I'm not gonna lie, I was also drawn to the neon pink, but I feel like I already have pink in my collection, so I went with the blue because I don't have any blues like this. Now, one of the other special things about this bag, why I was so drawn to it, is that it comes with some extras. So you get the vachetta leather strap. This strap is easily adjustable, so I like that. But it also comes with this gold chain strap, and this is so that you can attach the next extra to the bag, and that is this hair clip, which also comes in that same pretty sky blue color. It features gold colored hardware. It has that gold LV on it on both sides, and I'm gonna say it's a heavy one. It's got some weight to it. You can use that gold chain to clip onto the bag and the D-ring of the bag, and then you can place this clip on the strap and wear it like that. And so to me, when I was looking at the bags, this just felt like one of those bang for your buck kind of situations, because not only do you get a bag, but you get a hair clip. This is also a decoration. You could wear it if you want to. And it's just interesting and unique and different, and I'm always drawn to that. The interior is also in that beautiful color, and then you'll see that the pocket is actually in that Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, which again, interesting, a nice pop in that interior. Very cool, very different. This bag retails for $2,850, which is, to me, not that bad. Yes, it's an expensive bag, of course it is, but for a Louis Vuitton bag with all the price increases that are coming, that have already happened and are coming, I feel like it's not that bad to have a bag that's under $3,000 without tax, of course, with these little extras that you can use multiple ways. Not bad. I think it's beautiful. I really love it. This color is so beautiful, so pretty. All of the colors are actually nice. The yellow one, I saw it in person and it looks much nicer in person than it did online. I will say I'm not sure if I'm keeping this. She's beautiful. She's different. She comes with the extras, but to be honest, I love the clip. I thought it was cute and different. And I said to myself, well, you know, you get like a 2-for-1, you get a bag and then you get this accessory that you can add. Realistically, I'm not gonna wear this. This is quite heavy and I just know myself. I just don't see myself actually wearing this. It's fine as a bag charm. Do I pay for a bag this much just for it to be used as a bag charm? I don't know. I think if you were a hair person who likes this and you didn't mind the weight, it didn't bother you, then it would be a cool, you know, piece. It is a unique piece, a cool piece. It would be very different from anything that I have in my collection. But yeah, I'm not sure I'm keeping it, I have to be honest. I wanted to bring it home. Number one, I pre-ordered this one, but when I went to pick it up, I saw a bag and it was the last one. And the sales associate, Tina, by the way, Tina at the Fifth Avenue flagship store is wonderful. I went to pick up my previous bag and this bag, and I just had to ask for this other bag because I saw online that it was at that location, but when I asked her, she said, the one on display is the only one we have. She checked, it's the only one left in the store. And when you tell me something is the only one, the last one, it makes me itchy. I don't know how to explain it. And so I saw that other bag, fell in love, and decided to buy that one. I didn't want to just not pick this up. I wanted to pick it up and look at it and try it on, feel it, look at it, and see whether I wanted to keep it or not. I think having 3 bags from this collection is a little overkill, so I do have to think about it. You know, I was immediately drawn to the denim pieces. That one I mentioned because of the history that I have with those bags, seeing him in high school. That's when I first started getting into fashion and luxury fashion and seeing it on the magazines and celebrities. That, you know, denim collection has a special place in my heart and memory. That's what I was originally drawn to. So this one, you know, not so much. I have Reni Alma already. Obviously this is much different, so I just need to really think about it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this bag? Do you like the clip? Do you, I don't know. Just let me know your thoughts. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. I'm gonna show this to my mom and see what she says. I think this is a gorgeous bag for the spring and summer. I can see myself wearing it with nice summery, flowery dresses in the future, but again, I wasn't prepared to buy 3 bags from this collection. I was prepared to buy 2. This was one of the original 2, but then I saw the 3rd bag that I could not walk away from. And then I purchased something else for a future video. So that's 4 bags, really, that I just purchased this month. I want to be more thoughtful about my purchases and my collection, and maybe if I unload some stuff on Poshmark. I mentioned that in my life update video that I am in a purging mood. I want to get rid of at least half my stuff. I already got rid of like half my clothes, but I have so many bags and shoes that I don't wear that I want out of my house, so I'm selling so much on Poshmark. I'm talking about Jimmy Choo shoes, Christian Louboutin shoes, Longchamp bags. If you want a good deal, not only on designer accessories, but I do have contemporary brands there. Check out my closet because you're gonna find some amazing deals, trust me. So maybe if I unload a couple of things, maybe I'll keep this one too. I gotta think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know your thoughts about the collection in general, about this bag. Are there any pieces that you loved? Are there any pieces that you purchased? Dying to hear from you guys. Let me know down in the comment section below. Or if you have any questions, requests, or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Please give this video a like and share it if you enjoyed it or found it useful, informative. It really does help me out on YouTube and I really appreciate it. Click or tap right here to watch my last video or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.